I'm Dr. Lutzmary, Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I'm going to take the topic managing contracts, contract management from the subject software project management. So managing contracts, there are types of contracts. Acquiring software from external supplier. This could be done via bespoke system. It's created specifically for the customer. So it's off the shelf. You have to brought as such. So customized off the shelf. A core system is customized to meet the needs of a particular customer. ISO 12207 acquisition and supply process and acquire and the interaction between the supplier and the process. So pre-contract and post-contract. Pre-contract acquire initiate the process. The preparation of request for the proposal. So it will be given to the supplier as an initiation. Preparation of the response. It will be given to the contract preparation of acquirer. Then that will be given to the contract. Then after planning execution, the supplier will be monitoring. Then monitoring that acceptance and the completion. So they'll give the after execution the post contract they'll deliver the product to the acquirer. So part of the ISO standard relates to the process by which the software can be acquired from an external supplier. As can be seen from the diagram, there are two parallel and complementary processes. Type contract, so fixed price contracts, time and material contract, fixed price per delivered contract. Fixed price contract, in this situation a price is fixed when the contract is signed. The customer knows that if there are no changes in the contract terms, this is the price they pay on completion. Even though the supplier will have to add a margin to the price to deal with contingencies, the cost could still be less than doing the work in-house, as a supplier may be able to exploit economies of scale and the expertise that they have from having done similar projects in the past. Advantages: known expenditure, supplier motivated to be cost effective. Disadvantages: it increases the price to meet the contingencies, difficulty to modify the requirements, it will give the threat to the system. Time and material contract, the customer is charged at a fixed rate per unit of effort for example per staff. Advantages: easy to change the requirements. Disadvantage is a lack of incentives for supplier to be cost effective. The next type of contract will be fixed price per delivered unit contract. Fixed price delivered contract is often associated with the function point counting. The function point can be easily derived from the requirements document. So it's given in the diagram. Stages in the contract placement, the tendering process, open tendering. You can give the tender invite to tender in any social media. So you have to get the bid. So restricted tendering process, bids only from those specifically invited, can reduce suppliers being considered at any stage. Negotiated procedure with one supplier for extension to software already applied. Stages in contract placement will have requirement analysis. So in main section the requirement will have the introduction, description of the existing system and current system, future strategy, system requirements and deadlines. So evaluation plan will be there. You have to invite to tender. So will be having memorandum of understanding and evaluation of the proposal. So contract will be having the form of agreement, what are the goods to be supplied, owner of the software, environment, acceptance procedures and standards, project and quality management, timetable, price and placement with payment method, owner of the software, the environment, customer commitment, then acceptance procedure. So it's delivered only after acceptance test. Project quality, have to give the timetable whether the project schedule or the key parts of the project should be completed. Then the contract should include agreement how customer supplier is to be managed, decision points that will be linked to the payment. Acceptance, when work is completed the customer need to carry acceptance